So guys, Microsoft start rolling out Windows 11 22H2 update to more devices. So they extend the availability to 190 countries. And there's some catch, like still some people are not getting this Windows 11 22H2 update. And I will tell you why you are not getting this update, and I will also tell you how you can get this update. So basically you can see I'm using this Windows 10 here and go into update and security, and whenever you click on check for update, you maybe still not get this update like Windows 11 version 22H2. So why you are not getting this update here? So whenever you're clicking on this check for update, so Microsoft is going to check like your system is compatible with this update or not. Issues can be like your Intel audio driver have some blue screen issues. After update you will get that problem, so they are not going to give you update. So basically they introduce one thing like safeguard hold. So Microsoft put this safeguard hold in your system and block this Windows 11 22H2 update. So that's why I am not getting update. And other issues related to like printer drivers having some issues. So because of this you are not getting this update. Maybe my system will not cause any issues after update. So you can use Windows 11 ISO or assistant method to upgrade. After that, if you are facing any issues, you can roll back. So like you are very excited and want to test out new features and all the new UIs of Windows 11, you can refer my previous videos. I showed how you can get this update if this update is not here. Because of these issues, this update is blocked in your system, so don't worry about it. So Microsoft also saying whenever we fix these issues, we will provide you this update in your check for update. So no issue at all. If you can wait, you can wait, and if you can't wait, you can follow my previous videos. You can use Windows Assistant tool to upgrade to Windows 11 without any kind of problem. Because it contains lots of interesting features, you should try at least once. In previous week there's some issues related to gaming performance, like some people are saying we have some huge FPS drops in gaming. That is because of Nvidia drivers. So if you are in Nvidia or even you are using AMD Radeon, you need to update your graphics driver, and that's it. I already made a video on that. You can follow that if you already upgraded and facing these issues. So if you are not getting update, you can go and check for update. Maybe this time you will get, because Microsoft rolling out to many more users around the world.